Hey guys, I'm Roman Joe, if you know me, or maybe you don't know me. So this is a video about speed draw on Roblox app. This is my favorite game because I love to draw. I love drawing. So let's play it. The first theme on speed draw is hamster, and now I'm gonna explain how it works. You have timer round. You can see it. This is on right side on the screen. You can see it, and on the left side you can see the theme. Our theme now is hamster. That's why we draw a hamster. But you can see my hamster not looking like hamster at all. It looks like bear. Looks like cat. I struggle a lot with it, with the colors, because I used brown, dark brown, light brown, and other colors. Also, for the white fur, I need to add some gray shadows and mix it together. Yeah, the nose will be pink, and the fingers gonna be pink also. Um, uh, Here I'm gonna try to outline it because this is not looking like hamster at all. But I'm trying my best, like I'm trying my best, and this is why it looks like a little bit, I don't know. Let's draw the eyes. Nose. I always struggle with nose. I always struggle with my pencil because if you don't know, I draw on my phone and it's so uncomfortable because it's lagging or I don't know, where I point somewhere and it doesn't draw in that dot, it draws 5 miles away. That's why I'm so tired of it, but it's okay, it's okay. I like it, and I love that you guys like my videos, so thank you very much. Now it looks a little bit like hamster because I outlined it. We add some shadow. I'm trying to add some shadow, but it looks a little bit dirty, but never mind. Don't look at it. Please don't judge it. Now we have seconds left. So let's see others works. Oh, this is so nice. It looks like a mouse a little bit, but I like it. This one's so cute. It looks like kawaii. Wow, so many players are talented. This one is so good too. Oh, thanks. I win this round. Okay, let's play another one. Now we have to draw monkey. I'm gonna draw monkey from the Toy Story because my monkey animal doesn't look like real. It looks always scary. I know that this is gonna be scary also, but never mind. This toy is always scary, so let it be. Let it be. Okay. Also, this is my first video where I talk because um, that's why I am so nervous. I don't know what to say. I say something wrong. Please don't judge it, okay? Because I have to, record so many videos just to not be awkward. Now we drawing some jacket, monkey's jacket, yellow jacket. I wanna add some dots, red dots here, like this. Ears, of course. And now we're gonna draw face. But yeah, he has some red eyes, red mouse. So let's get started this. Nose, something a little bit like nose contour, like white eyes, white nose, and I don't know, I don't know about his teeth. I don't like it, but just trust the process, okay? Okay, eyeballs are so scary. It's scarier than original toy, monkey toy. So, okay, overline it a little bit, and That's it. I know it's not perfect, but it is what it is. Okay, let's check out other drawings. I have bags always. Oh, that's not bad. I'm so sorry, but I can't avoid sometimes because I have legs and I don't know how to work with it. Sea creature. Okay, I wanna draw shark. Yeah, let's draw shark. This is her head. Some gray and black shadows, colors. This is her body. Then I wanna add some, you know, light shadows also. But first of all, you always have to draw from dark shadows, from dark colors, and then apply light shadows at the end because it's always gonna be wrong if you add light shadows at the start, you know? I think you understand. I'm so sorry because English is not my first language, that's why I have some problems with it. But okay. I think I need, yes, more shadows, more dark colors. Then here also, and yeah, it's not that bad. If you will check this drawing from the far, you can see it's not that bad. Okay, the eye, a little bit the mouse, but I have 4 seconds. And that's it. Yeah, I know it's not perfect. Of course, when I have to record this video, it's not gonna be perfect, but when I don't record, it's gonna be perfect. You know that problem when you forgot to record and you just done your drawing and it looks amazing, but you see that you didn't record it. And yeah, that always the worst problem. Okay, I don't know what it is. Let's do this 4. Yeah, 4 not bad. 3 I think because I see. Is this starfish? Okay. Oh, never mind. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Now we gotta draw snail. I wanna draw snail on the leaf. Something like leaf. I don't know. Let's make leaf pattern first of all. Then add some light shadows. I don't know. Bleaks. I don't know how to make it. Okay, this is Snail's body, and we gonna drive his head, his, I don't know, eyes, some strange eyes, of course. Then we're gonna apply some shadows of his body. Yeah, something like this because they have some, strange but so interesting pattern on their body. If you saw them, let's draw his home on the back. Yeah, add shadows. I want to make some pattern on the home too, but I have only 30 seconds. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Let's yeah, like something like this, of course. Oh my god, 10 seconds, of course. Oh my god, oh my god. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, that's it. Okay, never mind. Let's pretend it's perfect. Yeah, it's better. Oh, I have lag, but this is so good. It looks like mine. I don't know why. It looks so familiar. Oh, this is mine. Okay. Oh, two, because it's not drawing, It's just word. Two. I don't know what this, but it's two. Yeah. Colorful snail with the dots. Oh, this is one so good. Yeah, I like it. Oh, that's it? Okay. Oh, not bad. Second place. I liked. And blueberry. Okay. Let's draw some beautiful blueberry. Do you like blueberry? Or some berries? Or strawberry? I don't know. I like strawberry a lot. Okay, let's add some pattern, it has like some strange things on it. I don't know how to explain. Okay, something like this. Darker. Yeah, like this, darker. Okay. Mm, it looks like blueberry, but it doesn't look like blueberry at the same time. I don't know how to explain. It like drawing blindness. You see this so for so long and you don't like it. You just see and you don't saw the blueberry, but it looks like kind of it. Yeah. Okay. More shadows, more. Yeah, it's not bad. But I have to make shadow on the, yeah, under the blueberry to look it more like 3D, like to make it more live. Um, again, I don't understand what this means. Like where I can't see blueberry. Okay, my drawing. It's lagging. You can see it's lagging already. Okay, not bad, but looks like a kind of apple, or cherries. Okay, never mind. Okay, again, it's lagging. I don't have problems with my Wi-Fi. I have problems with my phone because it's old phone. Yeah. Looks like creeper from Minecraft. Oh, this one is so good. I like it. Okay. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And okay, guys, that's it. I hope you don't get bored. Uh, this was my first video with my voice. That's why I know that I made so many mistakes. But oh, that's okay. I'm gonna be better, okay? Just wait until it. That's it. If you liked, please give me a thumbs up. And you can subscribe, or if you don't like, you cannot subscribe. That's it. You can check in the comments something what you would like to see. Maybe you would like to see spray paint because it doesn't have timer, like clock, and you can draw wherever you want, and you don't have limits. But I like speed draw more. I don't know why. Just to like see your skills and show your skills, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching and bye.